Today we discuss about this homolactic fermentation. Myself, Professor Kamthane DC from the Department of Microbiology, Shri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. This fermentation, it is of two types, homolactic fermentation and heterolactic fermentation. First, we have to see the details of this homolactic fermentation. The main end product of this homolactic fermentation, this is the lactic acid produced, and these other types of these products are produced, but their quantity it is very low, therefore these are not mentioned. The main product it is the lactic acid, therefore this is the homolactic fermentation, and this is occurring in case of Streptococcus, Leuconostoc, Pediococcus and Lactobacillus. Firstly, the pyruvic acid it is produced by the EMP pathway or the glycolysis. Glucose it is converted into the glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase, and this ATP it is utilized and ADP it is produced. Glucose 6-phosphate it is produced from glucose by the enzyme hexokinase. Glucose 6-phosphate converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Enzyme involved is phosphoglucose isomerase. This fructose 6-phosphate it converted into the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate or diphosphate, and the enzyme involved it is phosphofructokinase, and here ATP it is utilized and ADP it is produced. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate it cleaves and produces the dihydroxyacetyl phosphate and this glycerylate 3-phosphate. The enzyme involved it is the aldolase, and this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate may converted into this dihydroxyacetyl phosphate, or dihydroxyacetyl phosphate may convert to the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and the enzyme involved it is triose phosphate isomerase. From this, the further reactions are going on. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate by the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. This 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate converted into phosphoglycerate kinase, and here there is formation of energy. This glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, here there is oxidation of this and production of this 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, and NAD converted into NADH2. Enzyme involved it is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Here 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, this is forming 3-phosphoglycerate, and the enzyme involved it is phosphoglycerate kinase. ADP converted into the ATP. This 3-phosphoglycerate forming 2-phosphoglycerate. Enzyme involved it is phosphoglyceromutase. This phosphate from 3 position, it is 3 carbon position, it is shifted to second carbon, that is the phosphate present on third carbon converted shifted to the carbon present on this 2. There is shifting of the phosphate group mutase, and this 2-phosphoglycerate converted to phosphoenol pyruvate, and there is removal of the water molecule, and the enzyme involved it is enolase. Then this phosphoenol pyruvate forming pyruvate, and this ATP it is produced. This is the pyruvate kinase enzyme. In these reactions, when there is involvement of this ATP or ADP, the enzymes are called as kinase enzymes. These are the kinase enzymes where the ATP or ADP is involved. This is the hexokinase. This is the pyruvate kinase. Here phosphoglycerate kinase. In this way, through this EMP pathway, the homolactic bacteria, these are producing the pyruvate as a main product, and this pyruvate it is further metabolized to this lactic acid. This is the reaction, glucose converted into this pyruvic acid by the EMP or glycolysis phenomena, and this pyruvic acid, it get reduced to lactic acid. This NADH2 converting into the NAD, and here 2 hydrogen atoms are accepted by this pyruvic acid, and formation of this CO forming the CHOH. This is the lactic acid. This enzyme involved, it is the pyruvate reductase or this lactate dehydrogenase. The organism also utilize other monosaccharides than this glucose, and these are fructose, mannose and galactose. The organism also utilize the disaccharides as lactose, maltose and sucrose. This is the homolactic fermentation carried out by this lactic acid bacteria. Thank you for your listening.